How's your father's project coming along?
I think he's almost done. Yeah, he's done. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
I wash myself with a rag on a stick. 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 Stick.
There's something about flying a kite at night that's so unwholesome.
Hello, Mother dear. Hello, Mother dear. Hello, Mother dear. Hello, Mother dear.
Purple drapes! All my life I've wanted purple drapes! Purple drapes! All my life I've wanted purple drape! Purple drapes! All my life I've wanted purple drape! Purple drapes! All my life I've wanted
Wiggum,
purple drape!
Ralph.
I won!
No, Ralph. This means you're failing English. Failing.